In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to completely uninstall or remove a printer driver here in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to proceed here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together on your keyboard, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. Okay, so please wait until everything would be showing up here before we continue. Okay, so once ready, please navigate here at the left pane and locate with this option called Bluetooth and devices. And the moment you have bring up this section, you need to navigate with this devices. And here at the devices settings, you need to scroll down here on the list and locate for more devices and printer settings and the related settings. So you can see a forward arrow icon like this, click on it, and in a few seconds you would be navigated here by the devices and printers. So here you would be able to see your devices, and that includes the printers that you have installed here in your Windows 11. So the next thing that you need to do is you need to select the printer driver that you would like to remove with. Okay, by that, once you've selected it, make a right click, and there you can see an option called remove device, which has the shield icon. Click on it. The moment you've clicked on it, it will ask you to confirm your action. Please click on yes. Okay, and once you are done, you need to close the window and proceed to the next tab. Okay, so before we proceed, if you haven't still subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to be updated for more tutorials like this. Okay, might as well hit the like button. So by that, you need to navigate here at the keyboard, press Windows key and R key together, and in that way, you would be able to bring up a small window called Run. Here, please type for printui space forward slash s space forward slash t the number 2. It is printui space forward slash s space forward slash t2. Okay, so once you have typed this one, you need to click on the OK button here, and there you can see this printer server properties. Don't worry, because I'll be including that run command in the description box below, so you can copy at the description box below as well. Okay, so by that, you need to navigate to the printer driver that you have removed earlier, and there you need to go with this option called removed, and then it will open you two options. There you can see, please choose for remove driver and driver packaged. Click on the OK button here, and again, it will ask you to delete this one. Click on yes, and then click on delete. And then you need to click on the OK button once you are done. So please wait until this process would be finished. It will only take 2 minutes or less than that, or either more than that. It will depend on your machine. Okay, so this will remove the driver packaged. And once you are done, there you can see driver package deleted. Click on the OK here and click on the close. The next step what you need to do is you need to open the programs and features. So by that, press Windows key and R key again. And this time, please type for appwiz.cpl. So this is the one. So it is appwiz.cpl, and click on the OK button here. And then eventually you'd be able to be navigated to the programs and features itself. So if you have seen your series printer here, please make a right click and click on uninstall. And then there you can see this option, click on yes. And there you have that. You have just successfully removed that one here at the programs and features. Okay. So in that way, you have completely uninstalled or removed that specific driver that you have selected here in your Windows 11. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.